This is going to be a tutorial on how to upload pictures or documents as part of handing in an assignment. So as always, I recommend you go through School Zone only if to read what I post every day. I will post one item a day and then refer you to my YouTube channel. So here's Times Tables Tuesday today, and yesterday was Let's Get Started Monday. Tomorrow I'll have to find a fancy title for Wednesdays. You'll have to go over to your Apps tab, which is right here. Click Apps. You're going to click Classroom to access your Google Classroom. I'm just going to pause it here so that I can access the classroom. Now, you're going to, I've clicked a math classroom because that's where you're going to have to upload a picture. And clearly I'm in a grade 5 child's math classroom. If you're not in grade 5, your title of your classroom will say Math 4, Room 14. So this is the stream where I post. It's kind of like, if you're familiar with Facebook, this is where all the things get posted, and it's just a big stream of a whole bunch of things. Right now I only have Mathletics from March 16th, and then I have today's assignment, which for grade 5 was 2-digit by 2-digit. You're interested in this classwork tab. So if I click the classwork tab, here is your assignment. It's called Multiplication Word Problems. I give you a PDF, or I might have given you a YouTube video or some other instruction. Now, you need to click this View Assignment in order to see the entire thing. So I'm going to click it, and here you will see the word problem, and then I think I had a YouTube tutorial posted on there. Was it? Here it is. Okay. But remember, you're in classwork. So I'm going to view assignment again. Once you've completed the assignment, you have to turn it in, which is this box right here. Okay, now this person has already submitted it, so I'm just going to unsubmit it. So it says, do you want to unsubmit to add or change attachments? Don't forget to resubmit once you're done. Now this person didn't add an attachment, so I'm going to unsubmit the work. And you should get something like this. So for this one, it said, before you hand in your assignment, you have to either take a picture of your completed work, including all calculations, or scan the document and attach it as a photo or file. Remember to turn your camera sideways if you're taking a photo. So once you've taken a photo on your phone, you need to upload it to your computer. Once you have it in your computer or in Google Drive, you're going to click Add or Create right up here. And it gives you a whole bunch of things. Do you want to go to your Google Drive? Do you want to add it as a link? Do you want to add it as a file? Or would you like to create new things? So most of you are going to be using Google Drive and File. Once you hit File, you're going to get something like this. Okay, so you can insert files using Google Drive, or if it's on your computer that you're using, you can select devices or select files from your device. So whatever one you do, you have to click it and submit it. Okay, so for example, if I was uploading a picture, I would upload it from my computer, and I'm going to select files from my device. So I'm going to find the picture that I selected. Here's a picture of Prickles. I would click it, and I would open it, and it automatically goes in right here. Okay, now of course I'm not going to upload a picture of Prickles to this person's account, so I'm going to click X, but you're going to click Upload. And when you click Upload, it's going to upload, and magically the picture will appear right here. That will be a picture of your work. Clearly I'm not uploading a picture of Prickles. Then when you're finished, then you can turn it in. So once you've turned it in, on my side, I'll see that you've uploaded that picture of your work and you've turned it in. So hopefully that is how you will be able to show me what you're doing.